Now, millions of American children are returning to school this morning in the face of a high jump in new COVID cases across much of the country. Most schools are doing in-person classes, but some school districts are teaching remotely. The number of new cases reported in the U.S. last week hit an all-time high, nearly 500,000 in one day. Meg Oliver is in Paterson, New Jersey, where students are staying home. Meg, good morning.
Nate, good morning. Paterson is one of several New Jersey school districts opting for a remote start this winter. While they are firmly in the minority right now, some teachers unions are hoping that their districts follow suit, especially in hard-hit cities like New York.
The Omicron outbreak shows no signs of slowing down in New York City. New cases jumped 218% in just 2 weeks. Hospitalizations up 148%. To keep schools open, the city is sending an additional 2 million test kits into schools and doubling the number of students tested each week. But the teachers union is asking for in-person learning to be put on pause. And teachers like Camille Eterno are urging the mayor to listen.
I recognize the need for students to be present in the buildings, but I'm also cognizant of the fact that if we're all bunched up together and we get sick, we're not going to be there anyway.
Only about 100 of the nation's over 13,000 school districts are opting for virtual learning this winter, despite surging case numbers. In Washington, D.C., the number of new cases jumped 331% over the last 2 weeks, and city officials extended winter break by just 2 days, so all students had time to get tested. About 1 in 4 tests are coming back positive in Miami-Dade County, where schools are also opening on time.
I believe even with Omicron, our default should be in-person learning for all students across the country.
On Face the Nation Sunday, Education Secretary Miguel Cardona told CBS News' Margaret Brennan that the Biden administration is helping school districts secure more tests to keep classrooms open.
I still believe very firmly and very passionately, not only as an educator but as a parent, that our students belong in the classroom and we can do it safely.
The secretary says that includes mitigation strategies like mask wearing, vaccines for kids who are eligible, and social distancing. Now, on Sunday, Dr. Anthony Fauci said the CDC received some blowback for their newest COVID isolation policy. The guideline does not require a negative test to exit that 5-day period. Dr. Fauci says they may reconsider requiring it. Gayle?
All right, Meg, thank you very much.